Now let's do some practice exercises in what cycloalkenes. So we are going to look at what nomenclature of what cycloalkenes. So if you have issue with what naming compound like this, then you want to stick to the end of this video. Now, but before I continue here, now I have done a complete video on step by step how to name cycloalkenes. If you want a complete video on that, leave it in the comment section. Then I will send you the link directly to you, just so you can go access that video for free. So, but now let's name some here. So we have a cyclo compound here that contains a double bond. It's called cycloalkene. You see that? Now, how many carbon atoms are you seeing in the ring here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just now, so it's going to be cyclopentene, because the five carbon member is called pent, right? So since is what the 5 carbon member are in a close chain and it's having a double bond, so it's going to be cyclopentene. You see that? Now, whenever you are naming cycloalkene, what you want to understand here is that the 2 carbon atom that carries the double bond will either be carbon 1 or carbon 2. So it means that here can either be my carbon 1, here can either be my carbon 1. So it is these 2 points in my carbon 1. This, they are not carrying the double bond, so they cannot be my carbon 1. So these 2 points are the only one that is qualified to be with my carbon 1. So now, because these 2 points can be qualified to be my carbon 1, now this point here is having what a soft point. The name of this soft point is called ethyl. Do you see that? So remember, I tell you that if, for example, here I have something like this, either here can be my carbon 1, either here can be my carbon 1. Do you understand? But here, this guy is already carrying a soft point here, which is called the ethyl. Automatically, this guy will not be what my carbon 1. So here is not going to be my 1. If here's my 1, definitely here going to be what my 2, 3, 4, and what and 5. Can you see that? So with that here, remember the parent is cyclopentene, right? Ethyl is a carbon number 1, so going to be 1 ethyl cyclopentene. That is name. 1 ethyl cyclopentene. As easy as that. Do you understand? Now, let's move to the second one here. But before we move to the second one here, if I should have something like this, what would be the name of this? What would be the name of this guy? What would be the name of this guy here? Leave it at the comment section. The name of this one, or leave it at the comment section. Now, let's look at this one here. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4. If you check it very well, it's going to be what? Cyclobutene. Can you see that? It's going to be cyclobutene. Now remember, here I have what my double bond here, right? This carbon atom here is kind of what my chlorine. So it's kind of a chlorine. So automatically it's going to be what my carbon 1. Right? So if here is my carbon 1, automatically here is already what my carbon 2. This is that. If here is my carbon 2, here is going to be what my carbon 3, and here is going to be what my carbon 4. Can you see that? So now remember, B comes before C in alphabetical order. So B is a bromine is a carbon number 3, so it will be 3 bromo. Can you see that? The chlorine is a carbon number 1, so it will be 1 chloro. Then cyclobutene. Can you see that? So then is what? 1 bromo, 1 chloro, cyclobutene. That is it. Do you understand? It's not difficult. Now, if I should remove this one here, let me just say I have CH2, CH2, CH3, and I have something like this, CH2, CH2. Go ahead and name stuff for me. What will be the name of this compound here? Go ahead and name stuff for me. Leave it at the comment section here. So let's look at this guy here. Of course, here going to be what my carbon 1, right? Cyclohexene. cycloalkene, cycloalkene, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cycloalkene. So here going to be what my carbon 1. So here my carbon 1, here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and what, and 6. You see that? Now the main reason why here is what is my carbon 1, because the double here and this one is attached to this point here, right? So going to be 1, 2, 3. So here is what is the ethyl. Here is what is the ethyl. Here is what's methyl. Can you see that? Is methyl. So what happened here? So going to be 1 ethyl, 3 methyl, cycloalkene, as easy as that. So the name is going to be 1 ethyl, right? Then here we have 3 what methyl. Then what cycloalkene. Cycloalkene, as easy as that. It's not difficult. So now that we have names on here, now let's go to this one here, because this one is a little bit complex than the ones we have already done. So I'll wipe all of this out so that I will see space to name this one here. Now, in a situation where you have something like this, so remember, here is what cycloalkene, cycloalkene, right? Now, is that here or here can be what my carbon 1? Now, but if you check it very well, if you take a very good look here, you see that this guy is carrying 2 substrates. Why is it carrying 1 substrate? Now, either here or here can be my carbon 1, because 2 of them are having 1 substrate. Now, but guess what? If here's my carbon 1, definitely here going to be my carbon 2. Definitely here going to be my carbon 3. Here going to be my carbon 4. Here going to be my carbon 5. Here going to be my carbon 6. Do you understand? If here's my carbon 1, definitely here going to be my carbon 2, carbon 3, carbon 4, carbon 5, carbon 6. Do you understand? Now, in the rule of nomenclature here, now you must number the chain in a way when you sum the position of substrates, it must have the lowest possible number. So now if you should start from here and use my carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's sum that position. So now I'm going to do this for you so you understand. So you're going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What does it mean? It means that 1 plus 2, so it's going to be 1 plus 2 plus 2. Do you see that? 1 plus 2 plus 2. Do you know the reason why it's plus 2 plus 2? Because 2 substrates are attached to this point here. 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5. How many do you have here? Here we have 10. That is when, guess what, my carbon 1. Do you see that? Now, what about if you're going to be my carbon 1? They're going to be my carbon 2, you're going to be my carbon 3, you're going to be my carbon 4. What will be the summation? What will be my summation? Yeah, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? So remember, when I number from here, give me 10. But now let's sum that portion here. You're going to be 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4. So it's going to be 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4. What is the answer? So you're going to give me 8. Going to give me 8. So now, when here is my carbon 1, please pay close attention. When here was my carbon 1, I have 10. But when here is my carbon 1, I have what? 8. Do you see that? So this is the word correct numbering. So because you must take what is the lowest possible one, right? So this was my correct numbering here. So these are our names here. So let's combine the here. Here we have bromine. Here we have chlorine. Here we have bromine. Here we have methyl. Here we have what? And ethyl, right? So if I have something like this, so bromine comes first in alphabetical order, right? So going to be 1 bromine. Where is next one? Chlorine will come second, which is what? 1 chloro. This is that 1 what chloro. Now ethyl will come before what? M. So going to be 4 ethyl. 4 ethyl. Then here we have carbon number 2 methyl. Then cycloalkene. You see that? That is not this one here. That is it. Do you understand? So now let me quickly wipe the board and rearrange this stuff here. Let me just say I want to rearrange this stuff. Let me just say I want to rearrange stuff so that you try for me. So now you know why you now let me say here we have this. Now here we have CH3, CH3, CH2. Here we have CH2, CH2, here CH3, and here we have Cl. Go ahead and name this one for me. Let me see what you can do. Go ahead and name this compound for me. So how are we going to name this one here? Of course, if follow the rules and nomenclature. If follow the rules and what you have done so far. You find that here's my carbon 1, my carbon 2, my carbon 3, my carbon 4, my carbon 5. This that. So here is methyl. Here is what? Chloro. Here we have isopropyl. Iso what? Propyl. Very important. Here we have isopropyl. Now, C will come before I, and I will come before what? M in alphabetical order. This is that C will come before what? M, and M come before I in what? In alphabetical what order. So if I want to name it now, let me just write this place out. So if I want to name this compound now, remember we have not done so here, still doing so here. Yeah, it's going to be what? Remember here my carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So it's going to be 2 chloro, then what? Here we have 2 chloro, right? 2 chloro, then here we have 3 isopropyl, then we have 1 methyl, then cyclopentene. Cyclopentene. That is the name of this compound here. That is what name of these compounds. So what will be the name of this compound here? What will be the name of this compound here? Of course, you can go ahead and name this one. Here is Br, here what is ethyl. So you're going to be my 1, 2. Can you see that? 1, 2. So going to be 1 bromo. Here we have what? 2 ethyl. Then cyclohexene. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these tutorials that is coming your way that will be of help to you in your work chemistry.